Welcome back, scholars. This is a quick video to show you how to use Google Classroom for language and literature. Once you log in, you're going to click on the box that says ELA, and then you'll go to our classroom page. Sometimes you'll have an announcement here, but what's really best is if you go up to the top in the middle and click on Classwork, and then you'll see all of our work organized. Some of you have already started responding to our question up at the top right here. You can just click View Question and then write your question. If you have a personal question or comment, you can put that in here, but anything you put in the middle, everyone can see. So then when we go back, our 3 weeks calendar, this is the one that you already saw, although it's been edited to be 3 weeks. Originally, we had planned for 7 lessons a week like we have during regular school, but your teachers reorganized it to be 5 lessons per week, and that's why it looks like 3 weeks. It's the same amount of work, it's just less work per day. Again, going back to our classroom tab, when you click on a regular lesson or assignment, this one's due March 24th, which is Tuesday. You'll see 3 different pieces of information. The first one are the PDF pages of the green book, just like you would have in class. So if you do not have your green book, this is exactly how you can see those pages. Then there's a YouTube video. These are going up as I record them, so you can't quite work ahead if you want to see the YouTube video. But basically, you'll see what the lesson is, and then I go through and I annotate the pages just like we would do in class. And I don't go over the answers, but I do explain, what your thinking should be, just like you're used to. These videos are about 10 minutes long, so they're not too bad. And if you're not sure about how to do some pages, it's a great resource. Lastly, I'm getting a lot of questions about how do we submit our work if it's happening in our paper book? And that's a great question. The answer is over here in this Google form. When you click on this, it'll bring you to something that looks like a quiz. And what you do is you just mark off the answers that you think it is all the way down. And at the bottom, it even gives you a spot to write your short response or those longer answers. There is one Google form per iReady lesson. So here, even though these pages span 2 days in the calendar, it's all iReady lesson 16. So it's only one Google form. So you're only going to have 2 or 3 Google forms per week. It's not every day. But if you go over here, it's really clear which ones have one and which ones don't. Generally speaking, it's going to be the even numbered lessons. So I hope that clears up some of the confusion because I've been getting a lot of questions, which thank you for reaching out. And of course, if you still have questions, you're welcome to text me, email me, or pupil path me, but please do not call me. I never pick up my phone. Y'all should know that by now. Have a lovely distance learning period. Stay safe, stay home, wash those hands. Bye.